You know, Bradham Brothers Heating, Cooling, and Electrical has been around for quite a while, over 45 years in fact. And in that time, Bradham Brothers has learned a thing or two. The most important thing? Treating employees and customers like family. Around here, we rely on each other to keep things moving smoothly, so we can provide you with the service you've come to depend on. Visit BradhamBrothers.com, your hometown train dealer, to become part of the Bradham Brothers family today and to see why it's hard to stop a train.